let's look at an OKR for a sales team. So this sales team wanted to focus on how it was spending too long on administration. So they thought about the outcomes that they would want to drive, and they came up with things like automating the sales process, decreasing missed opportunities, responding quicker to customers, getting more upsells, obviously getting more sales, and serving the customer right the first time. They then had to think about how they might measure these outcomes, and what they came up with were the customer wait time for a quote, the number of steps to authorize a sale, first time right orders, and the percentage of upsell wins at the point of sale. So after this, they did a bit of brainstorming. They came up with a few different ideas of how to draft the objective. And what they finally landed on was automate non-value added sales tasks in order to focus on solving customer problems. And then as before, the key results were all based on the metrics that they chose earlier. So they had decreased the customer wait time for a quote from 2 days to 1 hour, decreased the number of steps to authorize a sale from 8 to 2, increased first time right orders from 80% to 95%, and increased the percentage of upsell wins at the point of sale from 6% to 10%.